How to make ChatGPT coding language practice more engaging. Imagine turning your coding practice into an exciting adventure rather than a boring chore. That's what we're aiming for today. When you use ChatGPT to learn new programming languages, you want it to be fun and effective. Start by treating ChatGPT as your coding buddy, not just a code generator. Ask it to explain why certain code works or suggest different ways to solve the same problem. This back and forth makes you think and helps you understand better. Instead of just copying code, challenge yourself to predict what the code will do before you see the answer. Then, modify the code and see what happens. This active approach keeps you involved. Create scenarios where you choose different paths in your coding journey. For example, ask ChatGPT to help you build a simple game or a small app. As you make decisions, you learn how different code structures work in real life. You can also add some fun by turning practice into a game. Try time challenges or quizzes that test your knowledge on specific topics like data structures or syntax. Use ChatGPT to review your code. Ask it to find bugs or suggest improvements. When you understand why certain errors happen, you remember better. Request detailed explanations of complex parts so you grasp the logic behind the code. If you're working on a language like Python or JavaScript, ask ChatGPT to focus on features unique to that language. Another way to make practice more lively is to set goals. For example, aim to write a small program in 20 minutes or to understand a new concept each day. Keep track of your progress and celebrate small wins. This builds confidence and keeps motivation high. Finally, treat each session as a mini project. Start with a problem, get some code suggestions, test them out, and then refine your prompts based on what you learn. This iterative process mimics real-world programming and helps you develop problem-solving skills. Incorporate explanations, debugging tips, and critiques from ChatGPT. When you understand the reasoning behind the code, it sticks better. Tailor your prompts to focus on specific areas like algorithms or language-specific features. Making ChatGPT coding practice more engaging is all about mixing interaction, challenges, real-world scenarios, and continuous improvement. Use it as a partner to guide you through your coding journey, making each step more interactive and fun.